Welcome to the month of September here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only a mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. We have a lot of great events coming up in the month of September, but be sure to join us on Tuesday, September 10th at 2 o'clock Central, in which of course we'll take all of your questions live with our monthly live interactive presentation on mid-year continuous improvements to the lithium-powered Winnebago Touring Coach Travato. We'll have the 59GL and the 59KL. Of course, we'll take all of your questions live as we walk you through all of the mid-year running line change improvements to the 2020 Winnebago Touring Coach Travato.
In case you missed it, we have archived in our video library last month's webcast on the all-new and redesigned Winnebago View and Navion. And be sure to check out our website for other great archive videos and a ton of additional content.
Hi, I'm Nicole with Lichtsinn RV. For a limited time, we have deep discounts on all of our 2020 VITA inventory. Just click on our Get Lowest Price button at Lichtsinn.com and we will email you our best, no-hassle pricing right to your inbox. Make sure to save with your upfront investment with this limited time sale, as well as down the road with the fuel savings of the proven Mercedes-Benz chassis.
We are excited. The VS30 chassis are here, so be sure to contact us about the options we have available in our 2020 REVEL. We have colors available in pebble gray, blue gray, and silver. Also, be sure to contact us about the options we have available in our Winnebago View. It's been redesigned. We've got the 24J with the corner bed. We've got a 24V with a split bed in the rear, and we've also got 24D with that Murphy bed available in both Bay Mist and Stellar. So ensure you're contacting us via our website at www.lichtsinn.com or by calling our 800 number at 800-343-6255 and ask for one of our sales consultants today.
Hi, I'm Abby, one of your RV sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV. Right now we have a great selection of Class C as well as Class A diesel pusher pre-owned inventory. In our Class C, we have a pre-owned Trend and Aspect, a variety of views and Navions ranging from a 2008 to a 2019. For our diesel pushers, we have a variety of Journeys and Meridians from 2005 model year to 2016 model year. Feel free to check our website, give us a call, or chat in with any of your questions. We look forward to hearing from you.
Well, that's it for this month's newsletter. Give us a call here at Lichtsinn RV, 1-800-343-6255 with any questions.